Scarlet Pimpernel. This is a nice little annual plant native to Europe, parts of Asia and North Africa. It's usually an annual, sometimes they can survive into another year. Very, very kind of scarlet little flowers. Unfortunately it's poisonous, but it sometimes is employed for wound healing and infections, but not really to be recommended. You can use it to ward off, for magical uses, you can ward off bad spells or bad energy by sort of carrying a little bit of it, and that sort of protects you from things like that. But it's very, very pretty. It grows on disturbed ground, often in cracks in here, like in a cobbled road, and it's just as common in cities as it is in the countryside. If you've sort of dug a vegetable garden, you sometimes get it growing on the ground there, but it usually prefers kind of more poor quality soil, so kind of like exposed subsoil or cracks in between rocks, things like that. And it has a long flowering season, very, very dramatic little flowers. You sort of zoom in and see their little purple centre, and very, very distinctive, very nice little plant, and really quite common. If the conditions are right, it just seeds itself a lot and you get a lot of it, but it doesn't really get any bigger than that. And it's just kind of a very, very bright thing to have growing on the side of a road here. And there's quite a lot of interesting plants that you find in kind of just even in city centres, in the cities, just growing in cracks in the pavement and things. It is quite amazing the amount of things you can find.